Hello, my name is Tade Jarotimi, an associate professor and Vtracs project team member. The COVID-19 pandemic occasioned a new normal in the way we live and work because of the need for physical and social distancing. It also placed an increased demand on the healthcare workforce. A combination of these two made traditional physical training and assessment of clinical students a challenge. Thus, the need for seamless clinical training became imperative more than ever before. This gave us the impetus as researchers to ask ourselves a research question. To what extent can virtual reality provide an effective alternative to the training and assessment of clinical students in Nigeria? The solution is Vtracs. That is a virtual reality model to train and assess clinical students. It's a model that will test the three domains of learning necessary for clinical competencies. It will also provide an alternative to recruiting patients for physical examination. Furthermore, it allows physical distancing and has the potential for simulating rare clinical case scenarios and infectious diseases to improve the clinical competence of students as well as practicing clinicians. Vtracs was developed based on 4 clinical scenarios using checklists developed by medical experts in those fields in conjunction with VR developers. The results show that Vtracs compared favorably with the traditional objective structured clinical examination, which is the usual method of assessing clinical students. And the participants found it exciting and easy to use. So based on our study, we were able to conclude that Vtracs was feasible in implementation, it's appropriate and acceptable for clinical training and assessment in Nigeria. The innovations from this project are that Vtracs has the potential to make standardized remote training and assessment possible. It can shorten the learning curve for acquisition of clinical competencies. It also has income generation potential for the institution when it's patented and commercialized. This project was made possible with institutional support from the Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, as well as the Tertiary Education Trust Fund. Thank you.